Hello everyone. So I've received the prototype box of the new and forthcoming HFA Ansuz pendulum. This is a design that is strictly from the universe. We've been testing a few of these out in the wild with people and they've been absolutely magical. So I'm going to show you a few different tricks. And again, I have no former pendulum experience. I don't really know anything about them. So this was developed completely from a space of innocence, and it's very powerful. So to kind of show what this guy can do, just quickly, I'll ask it to clear itself and it will start moving from north to south. Clear yourself. It just starts moving very, very fast. And apologies, you can't see my hand, but it's just definitely not moving. Stop. And typically, if you ask it a question, if you get a yes, it'll go to the right. If it's a no, it'll go to the left. Am I the modern day mystic? Am I the modern day mystic? There we go. Nice big circles. And again, folks, my hand is perfectly still. Stop. Is my name Bob? And there's the counterclockwise. It's just huge circles. I don't know if you use pendulums, folks, but these things are absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you some tricks that I learned here in a second. So with the box, this is a beautiful wooden box. This is really new. The production one will have a much bigger logo on there. But we designed this pendulum. Let me zoom in here for a second so you can see it. This pendulum, so you can ask it, you hold it over it and ask yes. Now, interesting, again, when I design things, they're created from innocence. And, I really have no former knowledge of what's going on. So what you saw before was just me playing around. Go to the right for yes, go to the left for no, move north and south to clear yourself. But watch how this works. And again, you have yes is north and south. It's not clockwise. No is left and right. It's not counterclockwise. You have maybe at the 45 and the 135, and you have, rephrase at the whatever here and here. So this is actually pretty incredible. So watch this. So again, I'll just say, clear yourself, and it will go north and south. Stop. Show me maybe. Show me maybe. Look at that, isn't that incredible? And once it gets going, it swings. Stop. Show me yes. Stop. Show me rephrase. Actually, I have to hold it over the middle of it. Show me rephrase. There it goes. Stop. Show me no. Stop. Show me yes. It's incredible how fast it moves. Stop. So, I mean, what you're looking at is, again, this is a prototype. I'll have a production unit here in a few days, and I'll do another link. But it's a very intricate, it's going to be highly detailed when it's done. But these are the prototypes, and they're amazingly accurate. So we're going to do one more test here, and I'm going to clear the space of anybody that watches this particular video, okay? So what I want you to do is just go ahead. I'm going to clear the pendulum. Clear yourself. Stop. I want everyone to just put their attention on their surroundings and feel the energy in the room. Ansuz Pendulum, would you mind clearing everyone that's watching the video from now into the future? Will you clear everyone's space for me? Stop. Okay, so everyone, just put your attention on your space, and I'm going to ask the Ansuz Pendulum to clear everyone's space. Would you please clear everyone's space? Here's that huge yes arc. So just keep the attention on your space here, and it happens very quickly. And you should feel all the space now just starting to clear the energy, just being renewed by source energy. Absolutely beautiful. And I know it's kind of hard to see in the camera, folks, but this guy is really working overtime. Oh, geez. So thank you, Ansuz Pendulum, for helping clear everyone's space. You should notice a huge difference, like a breath of fresh air, just from watching the video and clearing your space in your house. Go ahead and leave a comment and a like if you like this video. I'm going to be doing many more of these as we move through, the testing phase, which we're in now. And again, this is another mind-bending MDM product that's coming. It's my first venture into the pendulum space, and it's pretty exciting, folks. This is going to be an amazing product. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.